Welcome to the Eden Books pre-order tutorial. Let's begin. Once you've signed into your Eden Books account, select our Author Links tab from the main menu on the home page and Author Dashboard and Store Setting. Select Add New Product. Enter in as much information as you have available about your new pre-order. So this would include the title, and in parentheses, the format in which you'll offer, either EPUB or Mobi. In the first text box, you can enter in your reviews if you have them available. You can enter in a full wrap of your book if you'd like by simply selecting Add Media, or you can enter in an excerpt if you are prepared. Under product categories, select all of the categories that you feel best describe or best fit your new book. Under product tags, the same. Select as many or enter in as many product tags or keywords that will make finding your book in a search even easier. Under product data, be sure Simple Product is shown in the drop-down menu and select both virtual and downloadable. Enter the price of your pre-order. So if you are planning to sell the book at a normal price of $3.99, but your pre-order will be $1.99, enter the pre-order price at this time. It is not required when you establish a pre-order on Eden Books that you upload a file. So if you're ready to create your pre-order but your book is still in the editing process, you can certainly set your pre-order without having the file ready. Just remember that on Eden Books, when you publish, unless you specifically state otherwise, when you make edits or add products to our site, they go live immediately. So as soon as you've set the publish button on your pre-order, the pre-order will become available immediately. Select your pre-order option at this time and simply select Enable Pre-order. Select the day and the time your book will go live. And I say time, please note that if you, with our system, the book will go live at the same time globally. So no longer will our readers in Australia, New Zealand, England have the opportunity to read the book ahead of time while our friends in say California or Washington State are waiting 3 hours after the East Coast has received their book. When you set the time, this is East Coast time, and the book will release globally at that time, and you can actually select down to the very minute. Again, please note that this is in military time. But if 1013 is your lucky number, you can select 1013 for when your book will release. Continuing on, under the product short description, this is your blurb, and this will be seen at the very top of the product page beside your book. And set product image. If you have a cover holder, go ahead and under upload files, you can simply select cover reveal soon. Once you've revealed your cover, you can go in and edit by simply uploading the new cover. I'm going to our media library where you'll find other images you've already uploaded to the site, and I'm going to select a cover and set product image. Scroll back towards the top of the page and you'll see the blue publish. Select publish, and again it will publish immediately unless you edit and tell it otherwise. You can edit your pre-order at any time by simply selecting from the All Products option and Edit Product, or under the dashboard you'll see an Edit Products button in red, and select that, and you can make any changes that you need. Once your pre-order has gone live and has ended, you can make any additional updates and corrections as needed. Change the price, definitely add your file. Under our attributes, you'll want to enter all of the attributes as seen in our product upload tutorial. And you'll always want to press update. Again, the changes will be made immediately. If you'd like to take a look at your pre-order to confirm that the information is there, go ahead and select View Product. And now you'll see the image, you'll see the title, the sale price, and the option for buyers to pre-order now and add it to the cart. The administrators of Eden Books do have the ability to access your account to edit product as needed, to upload product or cover images if you need us to, so please know that you can always reach out to support@edenbooks.org, and we are more than happy to assist you in any way we can. If you have additional questions or concerns, again, please feel free to reach out to us either through our email address or through our Facebook author only group. If you're not a member of that group, be sure to sign up and join. And that's it. Thanks for watching.